the interview, sometimes maybe a chance of asking what is the meaning of thick driver or what is the meaning of thin driver, which are thick drivers, which are thin drivers, you should be in a position to answer right. Okay, just have a look once, sir. If you consider this is my Java application, sir, all the drivers are there in front of you. It's a very helpful, sir. Sir, this is the Java application which internal uses JDBC. This is my database. Observe that this is itself is my database, right? Now, if it is the type 1 driver, type 1 Java application communicates with the type 1 driver. Type 1 driver communicates with the ODBC driver, which is going to communicate with the database. Are you getting? So, type 1 driver required ODBC driver to communicate with the database. That's why this driver is thick driver. Remember this one, because without taking extra component support, it can't communicate with the database. So, type 1 driver to work, compulsory ODBC driver must be required. Are you getting right? If the driver required extra component to communicate with the database, such type of driver is called what? Thick driver. Clear, right? Same way, type 2 driver, Java application communicates with the type 2 driver. Type 2 driver internally uses database specific native libraries. Have you remember, right? Database specific native libraries, then which is going to communicate with the database. Are you getting? So, type 2 driver require native libraries, then only it can communicate with the database. That's why this driver is also thick driver, right? Next, type 3 driver required middleware server to communicate with the database. Correct or not? So, type 3 driver required middleware server to communicate with the database. That's why type 3 driver also thick driver, right?